Look at me and you, matching again.
It's cause...
What's it cause?
Because we started this channel together, boss.
We did start this channel together.
It's brought some happy days,
It's brought some happy days, and I've really enjoyed the racing that you and I have done together on track, on a level playing field.
Yeah,
I have enjoyed that.
About the whole level playing field thing.
Go on.
You're kind of ruining it for us, boss. If we go back to the TTO ones, your TTO Bender car, I'm running nowhere near the spec you are. It's not quite a level playing field, is it? Let's be honest.
Look, I have done some upgrades to it, but everybody knows upgrades
what?
don't make a difference today.
After that, I thought, we'll start from scratch again.
Yeah.
And I'll get us a pair of vintage cars and we'll run them stock, old school. Love it. You ruined that as well, boss.
I told you I had to get a couple of bits for the car because...
I don't want to go into details.
Okay.
You're going around in circles.
Right.
The point is, we're supposed to have the same cars.
Listen, I've been thinking about this.
Right.
And you know I can't get stuff delivered to my house because the wife, she don't like that. I don't want to... No, we're not spending money. Have you had a delivery for me?
I have. I opened it as well.
Well. Come on. Give it to me. Oh, you see, that one. Oh no, not that one. This is a different delivery. This is a different delivery. Do they want to see what's in it? Do you think?
They don't care about what's in there.
Okay, well, I didn't mean. Oh, that is. Oh, what? Hang on a minute. What is? Yes. Okay. Yeah, no, not that one. That's a separate thing. That's not what I'm... No. Another delivery, boss. There was another delivery. I had a brainwave, right?
Is it a big box?
It's a big box. I was lying in bed, right, with the wife.
Right.
And I turned around to her, and I nudged her, and I said, "Are you asleep?" And she said to me, "Yes, leave me alone."
Right.
And at that point, I rolled over...
Yeah.
Got my phone out.
Yeah.
Because I felt a bit, Yeah. When you're feeling a bit,
Yeah.
Because she was...
And you went to one of those sites, did you?
And I went at one of them sites.
Yeah.
And I typed in RB10. Team Associated RB10.
I've got one of them.
Oh, I know. That's what I was thinking, yeah? And I thought to myself... Well, I didn't think anything. I just pressed order. And I ordered one because I'm thinking, we've been down the middle of the track. One of our favourites, yeah?
Yeah.
Wouldn't it be good if me and you ran box stock RB10s against each other? And I promise. I promise I won't do anything to it. Yeah, I'm not going to hop it up. I'm not going to do anything to it. Me and you on track, just like the old days. Battling it out, just like when we go revival, they do the race of champions, don't they? And at the end of the weekend, on a Saturday and a Sunday, they do the race of champions, and they get the RB10s out, and all the winners throughout the whole weekend they race together, and that looks really good. So yeah. Did you get the car?
I did.
Get it out. Come on.
Okie doke. Ready?
Go on. Are you going to do magic?
I'll do my magic.
Go on.
3, 2, 1.
Hey, there it is. Hey, it's a big old box, isn't it? I knew it was big, but I didn't realise it was this big.
I've got to undo the seals.
Undo the seals, brother. Undo the seals. Let's get in the box. Now, you've got a red one, so I thought I'd get a red one just to make it really hard on track.
Stupid.
Yeah, but it'd be funny, wouldn't it?
Why don't you get a blue one?
Well, I like blue. Everyone knows red's a fast colour. We've said that before on the channel, ain't we? Red's fast. It's the fastest colour of them all. Go on. There we go. Oh, there she is. Actually, you know what? Looks nice. I'll get it out.
First time I ran my car, I ran it indoors on carpet, you see?
Yes.
So therefore, I needed to get carpet tyres, but I think outside on dirt, those tyres will be just fine. What are you doing?
I've just cut through the car.
You're a fool.
I haven't really. There you go.
Snippity snip. Snip, snip, snip. Snippy,
Oh,
snip.
they're good scissors you've got there.
They are. Well, they were.
There you go. How about that? See?
Oh, do you know what?
Get the old handset as well. We don't need to see the handset. It does look nice, doesn't it?
It does.
Yeah. So, there's not much to say about it. We've done a video on this before,
We have
haven't we?
done plenty of videos on this car.
Yeah.
But you're going to keep it like that.
I swear on my great Nana's grave, I am going to do nothing of this car. I might replace the servo.
You can't replace the servo.
Okay, I'm not going to do anything. I'll leave this. What about the radio gear? Hang on.
I've replaced the radio gear. In fact, I haven't replaced the radio gear in mine.
I'm not going to do that.
I have replaced the radio gear in mine.
Okay.
I don't know what radio gear I've got in mine. I did replace it when I raced it, but I think I might have reverted back to stock after I finished racing with it.
Okay.
But then my son took it out over at Stevenage, so it's got his radio gear in it at the moment. So I need to put my radio gear back in it, and then we'll take her out to play, shall we?
I agree. I think that's going to be quite a good laugh. One more thing.
Go on then.
Did you put a big opinion gear in your one?
We'll have to go back to the videos, because whatever I changed on it, I documented in those early days. So if you're interested in all the changes I have made to my RB10, check out the links in the description down below. We'll put all the links in so you can look at what we've already done, and then me and you can go racing head to head, me versus you versus me. You're not going to cheat.
Hands up, I'm not going to cheat. I don't cheat anyway. What are you talking about?
Now I do think I might have laid down my shocks at the front.
Okay. And why did you do that?
And I
Get
made
more
a
front end grip, I suppose.
Stepped them up at the back to loosen up the back end and give it a little bit more direction at the front. Little things like that I've done.
Fair enough then. Well, you know what? If you want to see more of this car, then there's a couple of links in the description. Click on those. Or if you want to see more of this car, what we're going to do with it, keep up to date with what we're doing.
Got to like, subscribe, and hit the old ding dong bell if you want to do that.
I would agree with that. Like, subscribe, hit the old ding dong bell, share the videos, watch the videos. Have we got anything else to say? Not really, have we?
I don't trust you, boss.
What?
I don't trust that you're not going to ruin this one as well.
Friendship is based on trust. We're mates, yeah? I ain't going to do nothing to it, right?
You've stitched me up on this channel a few
Stitched
too
you
many
up.
times
Never
over the
stitched
years.
you up. What are you talking about?
Don't ruin it, boss. It's a perfect car just as it is.
Okay.
You don't need to get a faster motor.
I'm not going to get a faster
Don't
motor.
need to get a faster servo.
I ain't going to do that, am I? Right, we're done then, are we?
I think we're done.
Right, thank you. Should we have a little look under the old hood?
Yeah, I don't think they've changed anything since I got my one. To be
It's
fair.
really not much to look at, because everything, you know, back in the day,
Yeah.
old school and that, everyone was so colourful, wasn't it, back in the day? Like, you had Nosram speed controllers that were orange and not lipos, were they? They were Nicads that were bright yellow or red or whatever, SCRs, SCEs and things like that. It's all black.
It is, isn't it?
I mean, it's got that stealth look about it, I will give it that, but it looks nice.
Now, this is very similar to, it's like a combination of like the B4 and B5, I believe.
Looks that way.
And when I say B4 or B5, what I'm referring to is the Team Associated RC10 B4, B5. I believe you've got a B4 at home, haven't you?
I have got a B4 at home. It's actually not mine, but I have got full go ahead to get it up and running, to be quite honest.
Cool.
So that'll be another thing to do. We have got a lot of things going on right now on this channel.
Now this here, obviously this was inspired by the RC10, the original RC10, which you have actually got.
I have actually got that.
How are you getting on with it?
Well, you see,
Is it finished yet?
well, no. I mean, I kept it in this box for a bit, see, because I'm a firm believer in you got to feel. You get the right feeling, you know. You'll know when it's time for a build. Yeah, you can't just They know what I'm on about. You can't just get it out of the box and start. You have to kind of... And it could happen at any time. You could be driving to work. You're driving down the road and you're approaching the traffic lights and something will just click in your head and it'll go, the time is now. Unless that does happen to me, I'll go, alright. It's like the RC gods speaking to you through various things, you know. And I will go for the rest of the day not thinking about anything else apart from I've got to get the build, I've got to go home, I've got to clear the desk, I've got to clear the bench, I've got to line my tools up, I've got to get the light, the spotlight out, I've got to get the little bowls out for the bits and the pieces and that. And then you sit there and if there's a mirror, you look in the mirror and you go, now's the time. And then you start to build. You can't just, what you do, just get it out of the box, tip it out and crack up. Yeah, you can't do that. It has to be, you just know. They'll tell you, you just know when it's time for a build.